Hey guys, this is Mario again. We're gonna replace the spark plugs on this 2015 Chrysler 200 as the multi-air 2.4 liter. We're gonna start by removing the negative battery cable. Sorry guys. Alright. After that, the engine cover, it's easy to remove. Just plug it, pull it up, and it has these tabs where it attaches to. I already did some work on this one, so you probably gonna see a lot of parts that I already removed. So first thing first is you remove the whole air filter housing. It's gonna have 3 8mm or Phillips drive screwdriver. It has 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and then you'll be able to pull this up, and then you unplug the mass airflow sensor. Remove this hose from the valve cover, from the valve cover, and then it has a 10mm, and you also have the air or the ambient sensor for the engine, I believe. Just unplug this one, and then there's a 8mm or flat screwdriver for the clamp that holds the inlet pipe to the throttle body. So is that one right here. So I'll show you guys whenever I remove this. That's the air inlet pipe. I forgot to mention that there's a clip on this part. You'll find it here. So just get a clip removal and then pry it off, and you should be to go. And then there's 4 10mm that hold each coil. So you remove all these 4 and then unplug the coils. Should be easy. Just pull the red tab backwards and then push the tab, and then so that's the coils right there. The tool I have for the spark plugs, I'm gonna put the link below so you guys can actually get it from Amazon. It has all different sizes of spark plugs. This one is gonna be the 5/8, and also this is the set that I have for extensions. I'll also put the link under the bio, under the description. And then all you do is just with the long extension, come down, locks in place, and then just grab your ratchet and then start. And you do all this and all 4. All right, all 4 spark plugs are off. Now, if you wonder how to pull them out the, the hole, you can use one of this. Have this magnet. You can just go down, and then the spark plug is gonna come out. Or if you don't have one of this, you can always use the same coil that you remove from it. Just put it in, and then the spark plug comes out. Alright, now when you're applying the anti-seize lubricant, you have to be careful not to put any on the tip, because that will make the spark plug not to burn properly. So what you do is you just apply some to the thread, right like that, and then with your finger carefully, you're just gonna spread it like this, I guess. So this should look like after you placing the anti-seize lubricant. If you guys look closely, I kind of try to keep it as far as possible from the tip, from the end of the, and then this one too. You do not want to put any anti-seize lubricant on this side neither. All right, so here we go. And then just take your 5/8, and then we do the reverse as we removing it. So on the coils, you you want to apply this dielectric grease to the inside of the coil, just a little bit, not too much, and then you're ready to put the coils back. Spark plugs are in, the coils are back in place, all 10 millimeters, and plugs are back on its place, and then you gotta go back and put the air inlet in place. So you gotta make sure it sits properly on the throttle body. It has to be flat within the throttle body, and also, you know, remember there's a clip here and then the 10 millimeter, and then we just put the filter back in place. Now this part, it'll be easier if you loosen up a little bit this clamp so that you can have you can move it, because it has to be tilted in order for these tabs to go in here. You see, these tabs have to go in here, so it helps for you to loosen that clamp up, and then it'll, yeah, well, I have to. You're wondering how did I get this clamp, the bolt on this clamp. Basically all you gotta do is go with the screwdriver right underneath this 3 lines, the coolant, the heater line, and then there's the gas, I'm sorry, the harness and the vacuum line, and then just like that, and then you start tightening it up, and that's it. Alright, so after we installed the air inlet pipe and the filter housing is sit properly, what we gotta do is tighten this back up, put the mass airflow sensor, and put the 3 Phillips or 8 millimeter screws back in place. And guys, the last step will be to put the battery cable back in place, and then tighten it up, and we're good to go. Thank you guys, give us some likes and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.